Today, we've got a 15 kg panda buy haul. Let's go. So the stats should be showing on screen now. It took just under a week to get here. The shipping was about just under £50, and because of the panda buy raid, it was a bit delayed. So I've opened it all up. I've got about 2 pairs of shoes, a few t-shirts, a few jumpers, and yeah, let's get into it. The first thing, these shoes. They're either from my mom or my dad. Let's get them up. So the first item are these New Balance shoes. Insane quality. It's actually for my mom, I think, but because they're a bit small, obviously. Yeah, they're insane quality for only about, I think they're only like $25. So yeah, they're pretty decent for the money. Very nice quality, and yeah. Here I've got my Supreme t-shirt. I think this was only about $10. Wow, it even comes with a bag, Supreme bag, and a t-shirt. Wow, very nice quality, as you can see. Very nice quality t-shirt. Nice and simple, very nice. Third item is the Trapstar jersey, which is quite cheap as well. Only like a summer fit. Oh, very nice quality. Might be a bit big, but overall, very nice. Nice material, light for summer. Very nice. Third item is the Stussy tee, which is quite a popular brand nowadays. Very nice material. Nice. Might be a bit big as well, but nice material again. It was only about $10 as well. Retail was like 110. So very nice material. Next item is the Nike Stussy joggers. I was waiting ages for these. I just couldn't wait to get my hands on these Nike Stussy joggers. Hopefully they fit. The quality is brilliant. Wow. Polo Ralph Lauren jumper. Yep. I can already see this is very nice. Oh. Oh yeah. Very nice quality. As you can see here. Nice. Badge is nice, on point. Nice quality. It's for my dad anyway. This one's a bit big, but overall very nice. It was only like, I think £20. The next pair, pretty much the same pair of these, just for my dad. New Balances in green. Wow, very nice quality as well. Look at the quality on those. Wow. They do look a bit wide because of the inflatable shoe tree. Very nice quality for only like 20 quid as well. Very nice. Next item I believe is Essentials t-shirt maybe. Yes it is. Very nice. So again, this is for my dad. Nice oversized fit. Very nice material. Again, nice quality as well. Overall, very good. Next thing is Polo Ralph Lauren shorts. Wow, the quality on these. Very nice. Very nice quality. The badge again is on point. Look at that. Very nice. Got it in a small for me. Quality is very nice. Tags and everything. Looks pretty legit. It was only about, I think it was 17. Down to the last 2 items. Nike socks, I believe. Yep. These were incredibly cheap. Only like, I think it was £2 for like 3 pairs of socks. Very nice. Just open them up. Wow. Very nice quality. Comes with everything. Looks pretty legit. 2 pairs of those for like £4. Really good. The shipping was a bit long though to the warehouse, but at least we've got the Nike socks with. The last thing is the second Essentials oversized tee for my dad. It's overall very nice as well. Oversized fit. Pretty good. Only like £7 as well. Really nice. And yeah, we'll stop it. So this was the entire haul. 15 kg. The stuff was absolutely insane. For the money that I paid, it was actually really good. I give the haul 7 out of 10. If you guys want a tutorial on how to use Pandabuy and how it works and everything, I will soon drop that video. And yeah, thanks for watching.
I won't be uploading a Pandabuy tutorial anytime soon due to the raid which occurred a few months ago, but I have moved over to AC Buy, so I will be doing a tutorial on that soon, so please subscribe and stay tuned.